Hello everyone, it's me Khurram for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make the solution at your home to fade out your acne scars and you can make your skin more brighter. So guys, now we are going to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, what ingredients we are using for our solution. And the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the benefits, and our third and the last part where I will let you know how to make this solution and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our video and we are going to our first portion of this video. We are discussing about the benefits of the ingredients. Turmeric can also be combined with the honey to form a hydrating scars healing pack. Honey, being a natural humectant, keep the scars tissues hydrated. While turmeric lightens the scars, both ingredients are also powerful antioxidants that prevents free radical damage and ensure faster scars healing. Use raw and the organic honey only. The processed variety lacks essential nutrients. That was first part of the video where I have shared with you the benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this solution we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the organic turmeric powder, and number two, we have needed the raw honey. For the quantity, our first ingredients, organic turmeric powder, we have needed 1 teaspoon, and for our second ingredients, raw honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon. That was the second part of the video where I have shared with you the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our final part of the video where I will share you how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is two-step method and the step one is combine turmeric and honey. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do in step one. Number one, put 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder in a container. Number two, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. That was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is mix well and apply it on your scars 2 or 3 times a week. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step. Number 1, mix the two well until you get a lump-free paste. Number 2, apply the blend on your scars and massage it for 2 to 3 times to exfoliate the skin. Number 3, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with the cool water. This was our last part of the video where I have shared with you the procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, if you want to get the better result, you may use this solution 3 to 4 times in a week. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I'll come with some interesting and the new remedy. Till that time, take care.